Hey folks, Inclusive Model Designs here, and I got a special video for you today. Today is my very first giveaway on the channel. Now, what am I giving away? I am giving away the Tamiya 1350 scale YAMATO Premium Edition wooden deck set. Now, if you've been following my builds, this is the same wooden deck set that I've been using. Now, how do you get it? Well, I'm looking for that 1,000th subscriber to the channel. So if you've already subscribed to my channel, don't worry, you're already in for this deck. But you do have to hit that like button to this video to be entered into the contest. Not the dislike button, but the like button. That way I know you are interested in this contest. So if you've already subscribed to my channel in the past, don't worry, you are entered. But I do have to hit that 1,000 mark on my subs before this contest ends. But if you are interested in this contest, just hit that like button on this video so I know you're interested. And then once that 1,000 subscriber has entered, then I'll do the contest, and then we'll just pick a name at random, and that winner will be notified, and then away we go. Another prerequisite might be the model itself, so just keep that in mind that you might want the model itself. So there we go. That's all you need to do to enter is just be already subscribed or subscribe to the channel, hit that like button on this video, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So good luck out there, and again, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks so much. Bye.